Mistplay can burn through mobile data faster than most people expect because it tracks gameplay, loads game offers, syncs reward progress, and runs ads in the background. By the end of this, you'll know what causes high data usage in Mistplay, and how to cut it down without losing progress. The biggest data drain usually isn't Mistplay itself. It's the games you install through Mistplay. Many of them download extra files after install, stream ads, and sync constantly. That adds up fast. Start by checking which app is using the data. Go to Settings, Network, Data Usage, then look at Mistplay and the games linked to it. If one game is using far more than the others, that's your main problem. Next, turn off background data for Mistplay. Go into Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Mobile Data, and disable background data if your phone supports it. This stops Mistplay from syncing when you're not using it. Now, reduce video ad loading. Mistplay uses rewarded ads for bonuses and promotions. Those videos can eat data quickly. If you're on mobile data, avoid claiming bonus content until you're on Wi-Fi. Another fix is limiting auto updates. Open the Google Play Store. Go to Settings, Network Preferences, and set app updates to Wi-Fi only. Some Mistplay games push updates in the background, and those can be large. Check your game settings too. A lot of Mistplay games have options for lower graphics, or reduced downloads. Lower settings usually mean less asset streaming, and less data use. If your phone has Data Saver, turn it on. On Android, go to Settings, Network, then Data Saver. This restricts apps from using extra background data unless you allow it. Now, clear Misplay's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Cached ads and offer data can build up over time, especially if you browse lots of games. If you're still seeing heavy usage, switch your MainPlay sessions to Wi-Fi. That's the simplest long-term fix because the real data load usually comes from game installs, ads, and content updates. Quick recap. Check which app is using the data. Disable background syncing. Avoid loading ads on mobile data. And use Wi-Fi for installs and updates. Your next step is simple. Open your phone's data usage screen and find out whether Mistplay or one specific game is causing the spike. If this saved your data plan, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.